Morning, Miss Mills. I took a quick buy before the open. Nailed the $10 trade. Put in my $20 risk trade right now. I'm gonna put in my $20 trade since I won that first one right away. Keep going up. Hopefully today we get some good kangaroo moves. Now must complete the challenge again. Hey, good morning, Kertos. Let's get this open price marked up. Looks like NASDAQ has just been going choppy all morning, pretty much. Alright, here is the open. Could be looking for sells if my stop is taken out right here. I'm about to sell here off this kangaroo. Let's see, 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Let me pull up NASDAQ on the hourly here, what I'm noticing. Very nice. I notice on the hourly, we might be headed up to 15,000 again. Nothing happened. Just started a new account run, Jack. This thing either is going to drop to the open or run up to 15K. There's some good news out too. Let me pull that up. Stock futures rise, adding to recent rally. So a lot of news out today, apparently. Looking like we are losing momentum now. I can see it start to turn. So I will get ready to put in a sell. I'm assuming I'm going to lose this trade. Miles, you were in a buy before the market opened and you narrowly got stopped? Yeah, shit. Yeah, it looks like there's a couple of good entries down here. Halfway there to TP. But, oh, see a little tiny... I'm gonna give it more room. Give it back to 20. What the fuck am I doing lowering stops? 20 for 20. Oof, US 30. Did we miss it? No, okay. Almost had one there. What a dump. Check out what happened though. We just hit yesterday's open. 34,700. I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Or some open. Whichever open it is, it hit an open. And it instantly rejected. Look at this accuracy. How does human emotion like hit price points this perfect all the time? This should hit TP. Alright. We get to go for 40. Do I want to get the continuation up? I do. I would like to get the continuation up. I wonder if I do stops here or go for a little bit of a bigger move so I can have a wider stop. Something like this is if we get the rally up, let's get a hit no matter what. See what this next candle does though. This could just absolutely drop and I could lose immediately. Let's wait for a clear entry, and there's no clear entry right now, so I'm not going to buy, I'm not going to sell. I'll go back to US 30. Maybe catch this continuation candle down. Short for 40. Could catch the continuation drop on US 30. That is a strong zone. No, I'm bullish on US 30. I'm bullish on US 30. I mean, I'm bullish on NASDAQ. But here, US 30 hourly, we got an area of interest right down here. About to hit. I'm liking this area. If we head on down right here. Boom. This could be a sell. Just don't want to be. I think right now what the market is doing, it's giving us a lot of temptations right now. Now this candle could send it down, could send it straight down. Run Jack, I don't know if you've been on the stream lately, but what I've been doing Let me pull this up. It's easier to see than explain. You see what I'm trying to do here? Basically, I'm just starting with $10 risk on the first trade. Every time I win, I'm doubling the risk until I can win 5 trades in a row. And the math shows that you only need a 6% success rate of attempting to win 5 trades in a row, just going for 1 hour, to actually be profitable. So, checking out this, I've only done it twice. So my success rate is about right here. I've only done it 2 times. Hey, what's up, Andrew? No, I have not. Basically, the only money I have is in MetaTrader and Bitcoin and Ethereum and a couple other cryptos. I don't have any cash in like S&Ps yet, but there was something I saw yesterday. It's called Acre Trader, I believe. Let me see what this is. Got my interest. Alright, so I don't think we need to be looking for any buys. Let me pull up, we're on NASDAQ right here. I'll pull that up in a minute, the Acre Trader. But I think we're gonna keep going up. There's no sense in trying to sell this shit. I could put a stop there. I could put a stop there. Yeah, I'm gonna put a stop there. Set our $40 risk, set our $40 TP. If this goes up right away, I could think about letting it run. Because right here, here's our target, 15,000. I'm about 90% sure we will go there today. Just 90. Fly. We'll reduce stops on this immediately. I don't want to see any retest bullshit. Okay. Worst part is if we bought the top. I don't think we bought the top. If I get stopped, I'm still going with 15,000 target. I'm going to get out of this one break even. I'm not liking how it's looking right here on that candle. I will find another re-entry. I just don't like that kangaroo right there. Plus there is some minor bearish divergence if we look right here. Let's see, is there? Yeah, look at that. There is some bearish divergence. We do got a trend line. It could come down maybe right here. Yeah, I think it's going to come back down right here. I don't know if any of you like to sell on NASDAQ, but you may consider to sell right now. I'm not selling yet. I want to see a drop, and I only want to get in a buy. Go with the trend. I'm gonna make 100K with YouTube. YouTube review videos. Telling people to click links if they like the product that you're promoting. They're gonna click it. They're gonna buy. So make majority of my money with referrals. Every time I keep looking at this, it's looking damn good for a sell. But I gotta stick with what my rule is for today. Only buy. Damn. US 30 just shot up. Retested the open immediately. Fuck. That was perfect. It's like a slinky, right? Goes down, shoots right back up. Hey, what's up, Wealth Builder? Yeah, I still play poker. I still play poker. Not for a living, though. That's exactly why I got out of the trade. It was looking like it was about to turn. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Either Karatos either retest right here on this pink area I got marked up, or the open for sure. Yeah, that would have been an easy $40 trade. It's alright. It's only 1 hour. Most likely, I will be buying once it hits here. Not one Kangaroo on US 30 yet today. Get rid of the other one. Let me know if any of you took the sold. Let me know if any of you took that sell when I said to. When you can predict the price movement, you're ahead of the game. All right, we just touched. We may break through the zone right away and just go to the open, or we could just reject off here. I'm gonna wait. I would like to see a Kangaroo below the zone. That would make for a perfect trade. If this closes as a Roo, this is going to be an interesting trade. This is going to be an interesting trade if this closes. 5 seconds. 2, 1. I'm buying a Kangaroo Tail. I like this tail because the wick is beyond this zone slightly. I'm gonna break even on this bitch right away. Can we get there, guys? Can we get there without being stop break even? Alright, we're break even. Shit, now we got a bearish Kangaroo Tail. Got some interesting developments right here. The market may tempt me into a sell right now. It may get me into a fucking sell right now. We almost smashed that TP immediately though, but okay. I told myself I would not sell. If I lose this sell, I'm gonna be pissed off at myself. Things could drop that zone. Open, it's right there. Alright, I'm gonna enter a sell. If I lose, I'm not gonna be mad because it finally looks good for a sell. I mean, the open price is right here. Try again. Third attempt at 40. Third attempt at 40. I'm gonna break even this at like 20 profit, 15 profit, 20. I got a feeling if this candle does not close red, we're gonna go up. Like that's exactly what. That's exactly why I didn't want to fucking sell. I broke it. I broke my rule though. I gotta ask myself, why did I enter the sell? Why did I enter the sell? Like I was calling it the whole time. I was calling it the whole time to only do buys, and and that's the one I lose. That's the one I fucking lose. I was calling it. I said don't sell. Only look for buys. So fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. Like I call out the strategy that is gonna fucking work today, and I do the fucking opposite. Why the fuck would I even look for the sell finally? Like if I'm not gonna sell a Kangaroo Tail, I have no business fucking selling just on the zone for no reason, and I just fucking sell. I don't even care about losing 40 bucks. I'm just irritated. Just reset. Guess we just got we have a continuation bearish tail on US 30. Okay, what's up logically? Yep, Ann Barnes. Exactly. Thanks for that comment too. You got much respect. Very transparent with the trades. Not like the other gurus. Yeah, and I don't care. I'll let people watch me go on a 20 trade losing streak, and I won't care still. Believe me, it's happened. It's happened a couple times. I went on 2 20 trade losing streaks before. But I never said I'm a professional trader yet. I'm still learning. I didn't realize if I would have entered that sell, I would have been stopped anyways. Most likely by spread. Boom, went up. What's up, SM Caskelli? Kangaroo Tail, I'm probably gonna buy. Get the continuation up. I'm buying because of this candle here. Yeah, and because I'm bullish. Bullish to begin with. I think this little tiny, we'll call it a Joey kangaroo. I think it has the potential to just push up there real quick. And then looking forward, I would like to take buys if we make a double top. Bullish divergence also. If we look here, we do got bullish divergence. Pretty good bullish divergence too. This will smash pretty easily. So I should be ready for an instant $20 buy. Should be 2.5 lots. I am going to do an immediate buy if this smashes TP. Not if, when. When it smashes TP. Here's the candle. It's going to pop up right now. I feel it in there. I feel it. I do gotta admit, starting off with the first trade at $10 is very, very boring. It only gets exciting once you get to the $80 level and then the $160 level. $160 level will have your blood pressure going. Bearish Kangaroo Tail. It might drop back down in the pink zone because that would be a trendline touch too. Would be a trendline touch. Third trendline touch. Are you gonna hit? I hope it doesn't hit because that's gonna be my stop loss. Ideal stop loss should have been like down there, but we're only starting with the $10. Such a grind for $10 to go. I'm buying right away. Like I said, $20 risk. Fuck! Let's go! I timed that fucking trade perfectly, guys. I said I was buying immediately. That's why I bought immediately. You gotta be fucking quick on that. We got our prey. We got in and out. We hit that TP within 2 seconds. On that fucking timing. On that timing. That was perfect trade, yo. I don't see how many fucking YouTube gurus can predict that shit. Just like what I did. Said I wanted to buy there. I was going to buy immediately. That's 2 fucking winning trades smashed within 5 seconds. Now, let's go for 40. Let's go for 40. The stakes are doubling. We did make a new high. Yeah, I definitely think it's going to go 15K today. The question is when. Like, it could do a lot. We could still retest the open and then go up. This is only the first 30 minutes of the day. Shit. Feels like I've been trading for 2 hours today already. Alright. Do I want to buy this candle? Have stop loss right there. Back margin. They want me to do about 5 lots. I'm buying. I'm in. Can we win the $40 level? This is the second attempt today. We've got these knocked out. Can we get the push-up? Or are we going to get rejection? I'd prefer the push-up. It's awfully close. Could drop. I won't be surprised if it does drop. And then we could be looking for new buys here down off this trend line. I think we're going to go down, guys. We're not ready to pop up. All right. Let's try to do the same thing as last time. Get that first one and then time the second trade immediately. These kangaroos are still running. Our first entry and second entries would have still been in, but we're only going for 1 hour. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should just focus on NASDAQ for the rest of the day. It seems like it's easier to hit the 1 hour trades on NASDAQ. The US 30's been all over today. Let's check some Forex pairs real quick on the scanner. See what we got rolling today. No, 15 minutes only. Oddcat and Chef JPY. Let's check the 30-minute. Chef JPY mooned. Euro JPY, nice candle down there. I think the easiest way to trade is definitely having the scanner for any pattern. Euro Chef might have some potential for a drop. See if there's any divergence. I see bullish divergence. Yeah. Not sure if I like that, so Euro USD. Quick little pop up. No drawdown. GBP chef. NZD CAD. NZD CAD looks good. Let's see, wick above a zone. If anybody wants to go for like 1R, NZD CAD. Here we go. GBP USD hourly. This looks like it has some potential. Looks like price is on a very, very defined zone. How far would that zone extend? Like right there. Ooh, GBP USD. Actually looks good. Let's get some markups on here. Might put in a sell right here, right now. I'll post the link here, RJ. 1 second. Let me get this trade ready to go for about 3 hours. I'll risk 50. So my position size needs to be 3 micro or 3 minis. Oops, not 3 standards. Okay, 3 minis. We sell 0.33 actually, to be more accurate. So I am in GBP USD for the sell. TP is just going to be at that next zone right here. This is a 3R trade. We're risking 50 for 150. Let me get that scanner link. Is it that? Okay. Hold on. I need to make sure the discount is on that. So my discount price is still supposed to be rolling. What the hell? You missed did I miss the alert? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me I missed one, Sharian. Where at? Which one? Quick edit. That's why my price got reset. What the hell? Here is the Kangaroo Tail scanner if anybody wants to check it out. And I tell people budget-wise, if you can't afford the scanner for $199, you always have the regular Kangaroo Tail indicator for $17. All right, NASDAQ, get ready for a potential buy. We have a third trendline touch coming. And we could moon. We could. I may enter a buy. Any kind of wiki candle. I like kangaroo candles though. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 15 seconds early, should I? 10 seconds earlier? The early bird gets the worm, right? The early bird gets the worm, right? Or the early bird gets stopped there. I gotta change this song. Person was always singing about smoking crack. See, I said that shit fucking backwards. Please clip that. Clip that. $10 trade is always the easiest. Do I instantly buy it like last time? Having a little deja vu, or do I wait for the break? I think I wait for the break this time. I'm in the buy. I'm in the buy. Let's go. $20. Let's go. Yep, exactly. The person got bored, so they started smoking crack last week, apparently. This one should hit. We're going up finally. We're going up. I know we're going up. No, you go up. Let's go. Come on, the rocket ship always helps bring it up, right? Oh shit. Fuck. Supposed to go up. Come on, rocket. Nah, we're going back. Fucking going back. Going back, come on. Fuck. Damn us. NASDAQ is too choppy right now, obviously. Too choppy. Hopefully GBP USD will hit TP within a couple hours. We're up a whopping 60 cents. You know, looking at GBP USD, what if TP is all the way down in this zone? I mean, this is the money maker trade right down here, going for TPs like this. That's 10 Rs. I think what I need to do though is start like closing out 75% of a position and leaving the original stop loss with the rest of the position. That way I can let. That way, let's say if I only got like $20 running, say I go to sleep, okay, another 10 hours could be an extra $200 off the 20 that's still running. And those are the moves we gotta make to truly grow an account. This is the site I was looking at earlier, yesterday. It's called Acre Trader. Diversify with an asset with an average 11% annual return. Bigger than S&P 500, right? So you basically just put in money, lets you know what net annual return you could expect. Like here's a fucking almond ranch. You put in 10%, I mean between 8.9%. All kinds of farms and shit, all kinds of budgets. Like these are just big ones, obviously 22,000, but there's smaller ones. Let me find. See if there's one that's like for $100. Oh, look at this. They say why farmland, and they show us the percentage returns. Farmland 11%, stocks 12%. Plus, you make money two ways. Land is one of the oldest investment classes in existence. land value increases over time. Plus you're earning. What the hell? But yeah, this shit is pretty cool. Acre Trader. I've seriously been looking at to buy land too. Having a little bit of cash and land is not a bad idea. I mean, they don't make any more land, right? I'm in California too, so fucking land prices, you get ripped off here. $200,000 just for 5 acres? Are they smoking crack here? Apparently. They've been listening to that other song. Like, look at this shit. California, 850 acres, $3.1 million. I actually wouldn't mind that view. That's what $3 million will get you. $3 million and you got a house on top of a fucking mountain. Shit, that's what I'd be spending my money on if I was a millionaire. I wouldn't be buying expensive cars. I'd be buying some nature. Generational land right there. I can't believe none of my family had any land. See how NASDAQ's looking. Alright, we're back on that trend line. Maybe it's just get a drop and head on down to the open price. Instant bounce up? I mean, what is going to happen? Are we going to break out up or down? I think right now is a crucial moment. We might break here. And I might put in a buy. Let's see what happens. Yeah. I think we're going to break. Finally go to 15K, maybe? Hopefully. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'd be buying. A piece of hunting land? Some nice deer. I do go deer hunting. Something you don't know about me? Yeah, I think we're finally headed up to 15,000. We're not going to be going down. Heavy rejection off that trend line. I think it's time to buy. 2.5. I'm going to buy immediately. I think we're going to keep going. With a $20 trade on. I believe we will just keep on going up for a little bit. Nice, Keratos. You did some hunting? The compound bow? I've never bow hunted. I've only done rifle. I'm wrong with NASDAQ. Every time I think it's just going to keep going up, we get a little retest back down. Just a small one. GBP USD is still not really moving. Oh, it's Forex, so of course that shit ain't going to move yet. We have a little tiny baby kangaroo that just printed. I'm going to go ahead and buy it. Oh, we got a 15-minute alert. A rare 15-minute alert. Let's check it out. It's actually on S&P 500. I mean, it doesn't really look good. $15-minute on S&P looks so choppy. All these gaps and shit. We got a tail right now. Looks like we're going to come down for another trendline touch. I am putting in the buy off this tail, obviously. Hypothetically, if I just let it run though to 15,000. Because I'm like 90% confident it's going to 15K eventually today. So I mean, it makes sense to just leave at least one trade running up there. And then if we make a new higher high, I enter second position, and that one we'll start going. Can we make a new high? I think we will make a new high. Wait for that new high to be hit, and I'm hitting buy. Almost. Only buying once it breaks. Almost. Like, has not made a new high yet. Struggling so much just to make that high. So interesting. I've been waiting for the buy for a good 3 minutes now. Hey, what's up, Ivy Lab? 1, 2, 3. Thanks for that follow. All right, I'm buying. $10 challenge starts now. We start off with 10. We're going for 20 next trade. And we'll let the other one just run to 15K no matter what. Yeah, I will be right back. Give me a couple minutes. Alright. Like we won that other trade. Shit. Fucking microphone's about to fall. So we get to risk 20 on the next trade. We're letting the other one run to 15,000 on NASDAQ. It will go up there by today. Promise you. Alright, is it time to hop aboard the train? I think we're going to continue going up. So I'm going to put the $20 trade in. 2020. Let's see if we have 2020 vision with the market today. I hope I didn't buy a fucking top. I'm already halfway to stop loss. GBP USD on the... Oh, shit. I hate starting... hate losing the $20 challenge right away. We always get the $10 one. And then we gotta start right over for the $20. But let me go over to GBP USD on the hourly. Yeah, we did enter. We entered there on the hourly, actually. I thought you were talking about a different time frame. But yeah, we're already in GBP USD. US 30 is moving quick now. Might put the sell in on US 30. We are moving quick. US 30 gonna get the quick drop. I think it will. Alright, I'm getting my ass kicked even on $10 risk trades. I'm getting a little annoyed. Maybe we just don't try to keep entering the trade and just let 15,000 hit. I mean, just let it hit. Yeah, now we're in the middle of two zones on NASDAQ. And up we go though. Yeah, yesterday I signed up for that site called Ancestry.com. I was curious about my family tree, and I was able to track it all the way to the 1500s. Couldn't fucking believe it. Yeah, like this shit was crazy on the Ancestry site. I found my 8th great grandfather, John Dawson III, from London. You can, if you're curious about your family history, you can sign up to Ancestry and get a free 14-day trial. That's what I did. And that shit basically just automatically starts filling it in for you. You don't gotta do much research. You just put in any family members and it starts going. It's crazy. Said one of my 10th great grandfathers was fucking beheaded. Beheaded after losing a battle. That medieval shit, yo. It was no joke. Yo, we want to be up at least a couple $100 by the end of the stream. We need the moves to start happening. I want to see a nice big red candle on GBP USD. Something like this. We're coming back for another trendline test. I think NASDAQ is about to just hop up. If you're not in, it might be another good time to try to get in. I highly doubt it's going to break the trend right now. Not sure if we got a trend going too. Check it out. And did we just have stops right here and enter another trade? I honestly think it's a buy. So I'm actually going to put in a $20 risk trade. Do I want to start the 1 hour challenge with 20? Or let this one run also? Let's see what the TP would be if I let this one run also. That would be about 200 bucks. Yeah, that would be $200 if I let it run. It would be like 500 though if I complete the 5 hour or the 1 hour challenge. Could just do 1 hour actually. Yeah. Risk 20 for 20. If I win this one, I will put the $40 trade in and it should make a new high. The trend is your friend. Yep, Keratos. A lot of support right here. But if we break here, I think we're fucked. If we break these wicks, I think we are screwed. Let's see. It's trying to break. Does the trend continue? The defining moment, possibly. I know a shit ton of other people are thinking buy right now too. And those market makers are probably seeing that. They could send it down a little bit before going up. Just to stop everybody like me, you know? And all it's going to take is a push of a button and they can send price down right now. Come on, which asshole is going to push the button and send price down and stop people like me? They're like activated right now. They just pushed the button. Or not buy, I mean fucking dump. and dump so they can get better prices. Look at that. It's so classic. Oh, RJ, I just saw your message. You said take a look at Euro USD. Let me take a look at it right now. All right. Here's Euro USD hourly. Yeah, so Euro USD had a bullish Kangaroo Tail, goes up, and then it's just now retested the entry. NASDAQ. Oh shit, I set break even a little too fast, I believe. Yeah, fuck. Set break even just a little too fast right there. Let's try it again. Reset. Alright, moment of truth here. Will a NASDAQ make the new high? Let's get rid of some of these other zones. Clean up the chart a little bit. Yeah, that's just unfortunate. I set break even way too fast on that. Would have hit TP already. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? We got some rejection. Turning around a little. That's why our stop is way down there. Come on, I'm vibing to this song right now. I've been looking at BlackBerry too. BlackBerry stock. Word is they're trying to pump it up. We were 800 pips away from 15,000. And we look at NASDAQ, like straight uptrend. And straight to stop loss, potentially. Pretty tricky. Well, I thought GBP USD was going to be dropping, but it looks like it is turning around slightly. If this closes as a nice big red candle down, I might consider moving TP down here, which would be $500 profit. As we have, we're going for 150, risk only going for 3 Rs. So, hopefully that shit just drops. Well, damn us. Trend line officially broken. I may need to just close out the NASDAQ buy. Well, if NASDAQ drops, that should be good for USD dropping, right? I'm just gonna get out of that. Would like GBP USD run. NASDAQ unfortunately did shift. Yeah, see, that's very good for GBP USD. As NASDAQ is dropping, USD is dropping. Actually a good thing. I mean, this move deserves a little healthy drop. Yeah, what's up, Huey? Look at this absolutely perfect setup, though. Hey, what's up, Donald? Yeah, we'll see what happens with NASDAQ. In this scenario, if NASDAQ, I'd say if NASDAQ drops all the way to the open price from this morning, I think GBP USD will hit this TP before it turns around. But that's just if NASDAQ wants to do the huge reversal. Is that a Kangaroo Tail? It is. I'm gonna go ahead and sell, put a $10 trade in. We'll give the attempt one more time. One more try. Come on, let's go. We gotta get it going. Keep on dropping NASDAQ. We do got a bullish Kangaroo Tail now, though. Five seconds. Damn, Hollywood leaving California for New Mexico tax incentives early. 35% tax incentive has brought New Mexico $620 million. Yeah, that's why I want to get out of California. It's not just residents and tech companies paying high taxes in California. Interesting. Alright, if this hits... Did we hit TP? Yeah. Now, we're going to put in the $20 trade. This will be the last attempt for the day. Or the stream, I should say. I will be hopping off shortly. Things get continue down. We're going to put the $20 trade on. Oh shit. Another bullish Kangaroo Tail. They keep trying to print. That could be one. It's awfully close to that open price. Only 400 pips away. Uh-oh. I might get stopped here. Yeah. Alright, that's going to do it for today's stream. Fuck, multiple attempts at the $40 trade. Could not get past it. This one gave us trouble today. Alright, y'all, have a good rest of the day. Let's get back to it tomorrow. Oh, I did forget it's Thursday, right? Oh yeah, I will be on stream today at noon for the last hour also, so if anybody wants to come hang out, I'll be on for the last hour. Yep, that's what I'm looking at right now, Mark. I think it's probably gonna go down. Especially after breaking this trend. There is a bullish divergence too. Might be looking for that to be going up later. Alright, y'all. It is breakfast time for me. See you later, or see you tomorrow morning. Yep, Mark, I agree. At some point, it will be past 15,000, either today or tomorrow.